The kit is the first home use treatment and works wonders within 28 days. It is a simple and effective 3-step system. First, we start with the cleanser. It is a gentle cleansing milk suitable for all skin types, and due to its creamy texture, it also works very well for sensitive skin, and you can apply it on dry skin. Actually, it's better to apply it on dry skin in a circular movement and rinse off with cold water. The Exfoliant is an innovative peeling with 10% fruit acid, which makes it very effective. I call it our hero product of the MDO. It gently removes the skin and has an immediate effect that makes the skin go through a complete removal of the dead layer of the skin and allow the fresh baby skin to come to the surface after just one application. You start applying it once a week, and the way you do it is that you open this and use the brush that comes with a kit. Use it to apply a very thin layer of this on all over your skin. Allow the chemical to sit on your skin for around maybe 5 to 10 minutes. You'll notice some redness, but not much. It means that your skin is going through rebooting. Step 3 is the serum that we're going to use. It's a very low molecular weight serum. So one of the questions that people have is that why is it so watery, or did I get the low concentration version? No, it's supposed to be so watery because of the fact that we wanted to have a very low molecular weight, so it penetrates through the skin very rapidly. Almost within a few seconds that you apply it on your skin, you feel like your skin going. So I highly recommend that you follow the 3-step recommendations that we have here. I hope you will love the system as much as we do. Try it yourself, and if you love it, please share your experience with us and with your friends. Thank you.